everyone, I am Khadija and I have the pleasure of introducing to you SYFpieces Reimagined, Kreta Ayer, composed by Liong Kit Yeng. For many of us in the Performing Arts CCA, the SYF Arts presentation is something to look forward to every other year. Well, this year we have put a new spin on the SYF piece, Kreta Ayer. This piece hopes to inspire the thoughts of our forefathers, our heritage, our dialect roots, and the values that will better our society. In her music, the composer also wanted to capture the sights and sounds of the bullock carts carrying water, the rhythms of the moving wheels, and the conversations of people drawing water from wells. So, get ready for some nostalgia as our musicians bring you on a journey through Chinatown and its colourful sights and sounds with their harmonious renditions of Kreta Ayer.